Hi, my name's John, amateur radio call sign M7CPT. In this video, we got another delivery from China and a little bit of a concerning spot as well. And with that being said, welcome to amateur radio on the air. Okay, it's now 9 days after I ordered, and mail call, special deliveries from China. The way the Chinese export works, they've got to write on the packet what it is. So this one should be a rotary switch. I'm hoping it's overly packed, because if not, it's bigger than I can use. Oh yeah. Standard overpacking. There we go. One rotary switch. Bigger than needed, but I'll have to see if I can reduce that by taking out one of the levels. Don't know if I can. Oh good. This one, what we got? Speaker binding posts. Or in simple terms, banana sockets. This one, will it focus? I don't remember ordering screws. The only thing I'm expecting from China is the wire. Funny looking screws. Oh, that gives us everything we need. Now, these things are a lot bigger than I hoped. So I'm going to go out to one of the local hardware stores at some point and see if I can find something a bit more suitable. That's it. Bit of a short one this time, but nothing really to test. So glad I didn't get a bunch of screws. Before I say cheerio, let me just apologise for the bad audio on the previous clip. For some reason my microphone decided to overpower itself. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notifications when I upload new videos. And all that leaves me to say is, catch you on the air.